As you and your baby get closer to your due date, you're probably finalizing your birth plan. You've done your research. To be clear, there's no such thing as an unnatural birth. Every woman's birth experience will be unique. So, when people refer to a natural birth, they're often referring specifically to giving birth with the use of little to no pain medication. There are many benefits, both physiological and psychological, of natural birth. What are the pros of having a natural birth? Number 1. Since natural childbirth typically focuses on minimizing medication and intervention, one of the benefits is the potential for less side effects for you and your baby. Number 2. The ability to move freely, helping the birth process along, and change birthing positions. Since pain medications help dull painful sensations, many people find they're able to move around more freely when they avoid them. Many women have mentioned, the ability to move around and change positions during birth was the game changer in feeling more comfortable and what allowed them to continue on with the natural birth process. Changing positions can also help your labor progress by helping the baby move into a good position for your pelvis. Number 3. Medication dulls or numbs some sensations, so going without any medical intervention may make you feel more connected to the experience overall. Number 4. A strong feeling of control, empowerment and accomplishment. There's no right or wrong way to give birth, and some individuals take personal satisfaction in handling their pain head-on. Number 5. You are more likely to have a stronger immediate connection with your newborn. Number 6. There's a potential for a quicker labor, followed by quick delivery and quick recovery. For some women, a natural birth may go more quickly. While it depends on several different factors, like how relaxed you may be, in some cases medications can interfere with contractions and prolong labor. The risks of a natural birth are minimal, but important to be aware of. What are the cons of having a natural birth? The first risk is obvious: you feel all the sensations of childbirth. The biggest drawback of a natural or unmedicated birth is, of course, laboring and delivering without the help of pain medication. Every birth progresses at its own pace, and every woman will experience both the beauty and the pain in their own way. Other potential risks can include: Number 1. A longer labor. For some women, being too anxious, stressed or just plain tired can make labor take longer to progress. And sometimes your baby's positioning can add more time and discomfort to your labor. Number 2. You may end up needing medication anyway. In the event of a complication, like the need for an unplanned C-section, pain medication will be necessary to safely perform the surgery. It's also important to note that a natural birth may not be possible for everyone. If you have certain medical conditions or your pregnancy has been deemed high risk, your care team may recommend against a natural birth in order to ensure the safety of you and your baby. Having proper coping tools and the right birth team is crucial. Number 3. The potential for birth trauma associated with pain is higher for unmedicated births. While birth trauma happens during all types of deliveries, a faster than expected unmedicated birth can be incredibly traumatic to process through. If you feel overwhelmed by the contractions and your coping tools are not working, it might be a good idea to ask for an epidural. However, many women don't want to be tied down by IV poles and monitors. They like to labor at home as long as possible in a comfortable environment, with fewer distractions, and little or no cervical checks. And after the baby is born, they want to be alert and have immediate skin-to-skin contact, and to delay cord clamping until the cord isn't pulsing anymore. Parents are beginning to trust the natural birth process again. So hey, tell us whether you are planning a natural birth and why, or whether you have had a natural birth and how it went in the comments section below. And thanks for watching Tiny Tribe Parents. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel for more incredible content that is on the way.